Okay, so what we're going to do here is show you how to register for the Salesforce Associate Exam. So you can go to webassessor.com to do this, but to find it from Trailhead, what we do is we go across to credentials and then down to certifications. So that will open up all the different roles that you can do. For this associate certifications, we go to the top right and either click learn more or on the actual hyperlink itself. This will again show you the different credentials you've got. You've got 4 for the associate, but for this, just the standard Salesforce Associate, we click in the right hand corner of the white box, schedule now, and that will open up to webassessor.com, which is where all of the Salesforce exams are done. So you will need to create a new account if you haven't got one already, but if you've already got one, just log in. So just click log in, which will take you to your home page. And then in order to actually register for an exam, you click register on the third tab along. And then you just need to find the different certification that you're looking for. For the associate exam, it's actually quite easy. It's right at the top. And you just come along there. So you can do online proctored, on-site proctored, or event. So online just means when you register, you can do it literally at any time. You just have to set the day and the time that you want to do it. If you want to do it on site, then you'll have to search for the different sites that they have available for you. That's usually on a Saturday, and obviously you'll be limited with the dates and the times you have. Or you can do event proctored, which is where they sometimes do it at certain events or conferences that they run. But just choose one of those 3 and go from register, and you'll be able to pay the fee and then get studying and start going for it.